summer. I probably have my feet up with a drink smoke. We with all my brothers, don't worry about a thing, I got it covered. Laced up, looking like a good day to go and get this cake. Play around for a minute or two. Sit and wait, watch the moon, blow it up like blues. What it is, cracking jokes on each other, what gives? Don't be falling through, I know you think about giving this.
Doing some oil change for the Challenger. Get up under here. Alright, take these 4 bolts off. There it is. Oil drain pan, or the oil pan. Nice. He still keeps his stuff bone stock. Alright, let's get this stuff off. Get the drain in. There he goes. Sweet. Alright, so we're gonna get ready to run back to my place to go grab some more tools, because we're gonna actually take off his whole front bumper. It's gonna be some type of work, but it's gonna be fun. I'm enjoying this day. And yeah, so it's really hot outside in Texas. It's ridiculous. And I just scraped my tire letters. It really sucks. But I'll give you guys a full walk around, showing I had nothing else to do, so I just went ahead and wrote on my tires and gave myself some tire letters. Looks really good. I really like the way it looks. So it is the next day. I gotta get ready to make it to Home Depot. I gotta get some stuff, because the sad part is one of my dogs likes to eat poop, so we gotta make sure I keep up the poop in the backyard, and then also dip the pooper scooper inside of a bucket where it's sitting in some solution. That's an idea that I'm gonna have to do today, because I don't want her to go back over and lick the stuff. So early, 9:30 in the morning. Getting ready to get started. I gotta go back and get me some coffee. I don't know if I would just want Starbucks or just go get some McDonald's coffee, but I do need gas too. Today's Tuesday. Yay, it's awesome. Gas day. Try to get an extra 15 cents off a gallon. That's how you save. That sure did put a smile on my face. $27 in total. Not bad at all. I'd rather take that almost to E than $50. But it's what you get when you get the car. Next stop, Home Depot. Or coffee. Finally made it. Sometimes parking can be a B. And yeah, I got my coffee wrong. I don't want vanilla. It just tastes like mainly heavy cream in the coffee. Yeah, no, I can't do this. I'm just gonna drink my black coffee as I usually do. Usually when I get coffee from McDonald's, if I do, or when I do, is I do caramelized coffee with 3 to 4 shots of espresso. Honestly, I do not get the jitters, so it does not bother me whatsoever. I'm just caffeine dependent. I love caffeine. Gets you started. Alright, let's get in there. A bucket. Just what I've been looking for, but it's filled with water. You can find a bucket like that Oh, here's some buckets to save my life. Okay, I probably don't need that big bucket. I could probably use something like that or like that. You know, I'm going a little bit towards the gray. That, I'm just not fond of that color. Especially in the backyard. We'll go with this one. Anybody want to squeegee some windows? I don't know what I'm going to do with those. I really like them. I like the way they fit. I like the way they look. Carbon fiber. I mean, it's something that's temporarily, not something permanent. I'm eventually going to replace this whole front bumper. I'm going to do something different. But that's later in the future. But the way this side looks, I don't know if I should drop it. But then again, I'm just creating more holes in my bumper. Again, I'm eventually going to replace my front bumper. So it's not really I'm not going to sit here and make a big fuss about it. But I think it's the way you angle it. I mean, it's just right. I think the bottom one, it has a slight bent like that, and it goes up. So it makes it like it's closer, but it's not. See, at this angle, I don't know. I'm gonna probably just drop it. Again, I really hope y'all like this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below, and still looking good. Hole in this color, nuts coming up or anything like that, thank goodness. But I'm actually do a DIY on tinting my tail lights, so that's going to be probably my next one. I'm gonna try to tint it myself, get all this other stuff off from what I did a couple years ago, and just do a DIY on tinting my tail lights. So alright guys, until next time, peace.